Are you ready to take your welding projects to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, choosing the right welding machine is crucial for achieving high-quality results. In this video, we'll explore the best welding machines available on the market today, highlighting their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out from the competition. Join us as we delve into the world of welding equipment, helping you make an informed decision for your next project. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the YESWELDER FLUX-135 Pro. If you're searching for a reliable welding machine, the YESWELDER FLUX-135 Pro stands out as an exceptional choice. Designed with a robust 135 ampere output, this welder can effortlessly handle mild steel workpieces up to 2/5 inch thick, making it ideal for a variety of projects. You can use both .030 inches and .035 inches welding wire, ensuring flexibility for your specific needs. Additionally, for stick welding applications, the adjustable hot start and arc force capabilities enhance your overall experience, making your welding tasks more efficient. The advanced digital display is a game changer in the welding scene. It provides real-time feedback on current settings, allowing you to maintain precise control throughout your work. Whether you're a seasoned welder or just starting, this feature enhances clarity and fosters operational confidence. Weighing just 11.4 pounds, the YESWELDER FLUX-135 Pro is designed for portability. Its lightweight build and convenient carrying handle allow you to easily transport it to different job sites, making it perfect for those on-the-go welding projects. Safety is paramount, and this machine has you covered with comprehensive protection features. It includes automatic voltage fluctuation compensation and safeguards against overcurrent, overload, and overheating. This ensures not only your safety but also the longevity of the device. With the YESWELDER FLUX-135 Pro, you'll feel equipped and secure to tackle your welding projects head-on. At number 4, ARCCAPTAIN ART-200. If you're searching for a reliable welding machine that balances ease of use with professional capabilities, the ARCCAPTAIN ART-200 is an excellent choice. Designed with synergy in mind, this stick welder automatically adjusts both current and voltage based on the diameter of the welding electrode you select. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners learning the ropes, while still offering the flexibility that experienced welders appreciate. With its advanced microcontroller unit control system and insulated gate bipolar transistor inverter technology, you can expect stable and continuous arcing, enhancing your welding experience. Weighing just 7.2 pounds, this welder is incredibly portable and comes with a convenient handle and shoulder strap for easy transport and storage. You can effortlessly take it to different job sites or simply move it around your workshop. Furthermore, the ARCCAPTAIN ART-200 is a versatile 2-in-1 welder that allows you to switch between stick and lift tungsten inert gas welding modes according to your project needs. Its adjustable hot start and arc force features significantly improve your welding process, making it easier to strike and providing smoother results. Additionally, the automatic anti-stick feature prevents electrode sticking, allowing for a more seamless workflow. This welder is well suited for an array of materials, including stainless steel and mild steel, making it a valuable tool for various metalworking applications. Embrace the power and convenience of the ARCCAPTAIN ART-200 for all your welding needs. Number 3, we have the BESTMIG FLUX-135. If you're seeking a powerful and versatile welding solution, the BESTMIG FLUX-135 is designed for you. With its impressive output of 135 ampere, this 3-in-1 welding machine can easily handle materials up to 1/8 inch thick, giving you the capability to tackle a range of welding projects. Whether you're looking to perform metal inert gas, lift tungsten inert gas, or stick welding, this machine adapts to your needs. What sets the BESTMIG FLUX-135 apart is the comprehensive accessory kit that comes included. You receive essential tools like a ground clamp, electrode holder, and welding gun, along with an auto-darkening welding helmet that converts to goggles, and high-quality leather gloves to ensure your safety and comfort during your projects. Designed with novices in mind, this welder features user-friendly digital technology that automatically adjusts settings for you. This means you can start welding without the headaches of complicated setups. All you need to do is load the wire spool, connect the gun, plug it in, and you're ready to go. The BESTMIG FLUX-135 is compatible with gasless flux-cored metal inert gas wire ranging from 0.03 inches to 0.04 inches, making it suitable for welding stainless steel, carbon steel, and thicker metal. This machine is reliable and efficient, featuring cutting-edge digital control technology for real-time monitoring and precise operation. Enhance your welding skills and achieve cleaner welds with this exceptional tool. At number 2, YESWELDER MIG 205DS Pro. If you're seeking a reliable welding machine that meets your various project needs, the YESWELDER MIG 205DS Pro is an excellent choice. With a powerful output of 200 amperes and dual voltage capabilities, this welder delivers consistent performance, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from automotive repairs to DIY fabrication. Whether you're working with thin sheets or thicker materials like steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, this machine has you covered. The synergic metal inert gas function allows for effortless adjustments. As you change the wire feeding speed, which ranges from 58 to 858 inches per minute, the voltage will automatically adjust to ideal settings, with the option for you to fine-tune it within a -3 volts to +3 volts range. This feature is particularly advantageous for beginners who want a user-friendly experience. For the seasoned professionals, the manual metal inert gas option grants you full control over the wire feeding speed and voltage settings according to your unique preferences. You'll appreciate the advanced digital display, which simplifies monitoring by providing real-time current information during your welding tasks, enhancing your precision and control. Safety is paramount with the YESWELDER MIG 205DS Pro. Equipped with automatic voltage compensation and protections against overcurrent, overload, and overheating, this machine ensures both your safety and its longevity as you work confidently on your projects. This welder isn't just a tool, it's a reliable partner in your welding journey. And finally, the number 1 of our list, ARCCAPTAIN MIG 200. If you're seeking a reliable and efficient welding solution, the ARCCAPTAIN MIG 200 is an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals. This cutting-edge welding machine features synergic metal inert gas technology, which automatically adjusts the recommended current and wire feed speed based on the diameter of the welding wire and gas material you select. This ensures a smoother welding experience tailored to your preferences, while a smart cooling fan operates only when necessary, reducing noise during your projects. The MIG welder also offers a variety of advanced functions, including adaptive crater, burn-back adjustment, and pre-flow, post-flow settings. These features enhance your efficiency, enabling you to focus on precision and quality. With the ability to switch between 2-touch and 4-touch welding modes and store up to 10 preset configurations, you can easily transition between different tasks without losing your setup. Additionally, the revolutionary large LED display allows for easy reading of critical data without requiring you to remove your welding helmet. The machine is designed for portability, featuring a convenient handle and shoulder strap, making it ideal for outdoor maintenance, farm tasks, or home DIY projects. Your safety is a top priority with the ARCCAPTAIN MIG 200, which has undergone rigorous laboratory tests to ensure it meets high standards. Equipped with multiple protection functions, including voltage reduction device, overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and overload safeguards, you can have peace of mind while you work. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which welding machine you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.